lady, come in, let me tell you something. Lately I've been wondering if you could be mine forever. See you was like God, he must be up to something. Know you tired of running, let's just stay here together. I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love. You don't even open up, so your heart can't get crushed. You've been let down so many times, you wonder if you need to get up. You done been through too much, but I ain't tryna mess this up. Hey, let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch the sunrise. We just fine, yeah. You just need your vacation.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have another amazing tutorial for you guys using Luhair. And guys, the product that we're going to be using today is the bed head. If you're an OG subscriber, you know I love Gossipy Glue in the yellow bottle. Like, I absolutely love it. I use it all the time. But I've been trying other products, and this is a product that I actually saw on LAURASIA Andrea's channel. And many of you all asked me to try it out, so today is the day, and I'm really hyped. And stay to the end because I'm going to show you all how I use it to install this particular wig and also how I remove it. I'm also going to be leaving it on for about 3 to 4 days, so you all will be able to see the progression of this particular product and the hair. This unit is called Alicia. It's a lace front wig, and it does come with an elastic band. I was a bit leery about whether the size small was going to fit me, but it turns out it did. This curl pattern is so beautiful, and I've been gravitating towards more of a looser curl lately. I don't know why, but I just think it looks really gorgeous. So now we're just getting up close and personal. I'm showing you guys how the unit looks on the mannequin head, showing you the pre-plucked hairline. I love the way they pluck their units as well as the bleached knots. Now, I will say that for this particular unit that there were some areas that were over bleached in the back area near the crown, but you can't really see it if you comb the hair back a certain way, but that's just something I noticed. Right now I'm just tinting the lace, and I'm using my foundation color and also layering it with the Sally Hansen airbrush spray, and I like to use color Deep Glow, so I'm just spraying that on, stippling it over, and this is just causing it to look more scalp-like. Now, this particular unit has a great deal of parting space. It has 6 inches of parting, and I love that. I will be sure to link another video that I did with Luhair. I actually did that particular unit glueless, so we didn't use any Gossipy glue, we didn't use gel, wig glue, or anything. I literally used, I think it was like mousse, but it looks so good. So I'm going to link that one for you guys. So right now I'm just making a little slit in the lace, and we're going to pull it forward, and then I'm going to begin to use the bed head to install this lace front. I did decide to take off the elastic band because it was in my way, and I don't need it because I'm not necessarily wearing it completely 100% glueless. We aren't using glue, but there is an adhesive that I'm using, and I didn't want that in the way. So we're going to test this out. I just sprayed it in the area where I wanted it to be secure. And then after doing this, I'm going to lay down the lace over that area and then grab my blow dryer. So this process is a bit different from when you use Gossipy glue, because generally when you put that down, you have to blow it on the cool setting for about 10 to 20 seconds and then put your lace down. But with the bed head, you're going to spray that on and then put your lace down directly after, and then begin using your blow dryer on the cool setting in order to dry it, and then begin pressing into the lace, and then you're going to begin to manipulate and smooth it down and make sure it's nice and sleek. So that's what I'm doing currently. And what I like about this particular adhesive is that you don't have to worry about the white flakes or white residue or anything. And for those like me who can sometimes be a bit heavy-handed with the Gossipy glue, you don't have to worry about this being caked up or anything. You can spray as much as you like, and you're not going to have any additional residue. It's going to be clear. I love that it dries clear. It's easy to work with, and it dries really fast, guys. I love that. The next step after I feel like it's dry enough is to actually cut the lace off, and I'm going to use an eyebrow razor in order to do that. Guys, this hairline for this particular unit just looks so bomb. Like, they did a very good job pre-plucking this hairline. Some companies say that they pre-pluck the hairline, but then when you get it, it's like, what did you actually do? I still have so much more work to do. But with this one, I didn't have to do anything. It looks so good and really natural.
Yeah. Staring at you on this airplane, I ain't worried about nothing, cause you got me feeling like the Wayne Wade in 03. Yeah, you and me, we got the heat, so bump all that anxiety. But you hit to the side of me, I feel like I'm gliding. And honestly, look, I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me, that you wish you had made plans without without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car. When we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. Tell me how you feel, tell me what it is, tell me what it ain't. Trigger happy, you looking by, I might just detonate. Yeah, tell them dudes looking far back. Kidding and kill, I need all that. Let them call, but don't call back. Let them call, but don't. I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me. That you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car. When we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. Still get goosebumps when.
Y'all, looky. In my Martin voice, not so much though, but I was completely blown away by how quick and easy this process was. It looks so good too. Like, I don't have any spillover. It just looks so great. So right now I'm just blending out my edges, and I talk about this all the time. I do have a low hairline, so sometimes I do have to conceal my hairline so that it looks more natural. So I'm creating some baby hair over this area, and I like to do this to conceal the area where my hairline is, and because I just like baby hair, especially when I'm wearing like a looser texture or just a curly unit in general. I think it just looks so good. So we're just gonna do that, and then I'm gonna fluff out the hair. I might have to cut a little bit on the ends, but listen, this unit is called Alicia, and me and Alicia and this bedhead just became homies today. Like, they just worked it out for your girl. We are friends.
Call. When I pull up to your house in my car. When we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring.
So this next step in the process is optional. If you don't desire a great deal of volume, then you don't have to fluff it out. This unit is in 150% density, and in the texture that it comes in right out of the package, it looks decent, but I wanted to actually see the curls a little more. It's a natural wave texture, so it's a bit of a loose curl, wavy type look, and I really like that, but I love me some volume. So I just fluffed it out, added some more baby hair to the other side, and I also decided to cut some of the ends. I wanted them a bit more tapered because they were a little long. So I just did that really quickly, and we're pretty much going to be finished, y'all. Y'all, look at that. It looks like it grew out of my scalp. This looks so good.
I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car. When we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car. When we kiss, you make me sound the.
Y'all, this lace funnel install is so bomb. Y'all gotta let me know. Are y'all gonna try this bed head? Are we still sticking with the Got to Be glue? I know I might use it every now and again, but this bed head is legit. Laurasia was not lying. I'm so glad that I saw her video and then you guys kind of nudged me to do it, because this is fire. But you all don't stop watching the video. Keep watching, subscribe, like it right now if this was helpful, because this bed head though, you can find it in Ulta. I believe the travel size is less expensive. I believe it's about $5. The larger container is $20, but I found mine on Amazon for like $12, y'all. I'll leave the link for where I found it on Amazon down in the description box. The link for this bomb unit will also be in the description box. It's so gorgeous, so be sure to check that out as well. Also, I'll have a discount code for you guys, but keep watching because I'm going to take you all on a series of days showing you all how this unit held up overnight with the bed head. I'm also going to show you how I preserve it, and we're going to go to the gym with it. So y'all keep watching. Now, I did get my days mixed up, so you all ignore that. I could not remember what day it was, but let's get to that portion of the video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. Let's get into that.
Hey y'all, so it's day 2. I don't usually sleep in my wigs, but I decided to do a bit of an experiment just to see how this bed head holds up. And y'all look, it is still holding up really, really well. it's like plastered to my head. It's not going anywhere. And this is how I sleep in it. I just put on a satin scarf in the front, and I have on my protective headband. I got this from Her Given Hair. These are so awesome for longer hair units. So that's covered. It's protecting my hair, and we're about to go to church. I may try to keep the wig on for another day. Y'all, I really love y'all because I don't do this. I usually take my wigs off every night, but I may try to go to the gym and see how it holds up, just to see if this bed head is legit or not, because y'all know, and I may be looking in the wrong direction. I don't know, but just listen to what I'm saying. I just want to see how this will work, because I know I've been getting a ton of questions about how strong the Got2b glue is, and I tell you guys, I believe about maybe 2 to 3 days, and even with the 2 to 3 days, you may see slight bit of lifting, but nothing's lifting. It is laid still. It actually, to me, may look better than yesterday. So we're gonna see about tomorrow, and then I may do a day 3. So stay tuned. Morning, guys. It's day 2. I'm super tired, but I'm about to head to the gym. But let's see how it held up overnight. Still looking good. Everything's in place. Still not moving, lifting, or anything. In the morning with this hair, I've just been spritzing it with water, and I also have conditioner in this bottle. Still really soft. It's maintaining really well. I'm just gonna put it in a ponytail for the gym though. So let's head to the gym.
Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Really, it ain't nothing to it, it just fit who I am. Fit who I am. Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Really, it ain't nothing to it, dog.
I'm on the grind early in the morning. 5, then I go away. There's nothing like living this dream of mine. I wanna say my name and light shines so bright that the stars don't have to come out in the nighttime. I make it happen, buy my girl a gas, so we gon' get it crackin'. When you see me grinding, yeah, I'm grinding for you. When they see me shining, know it's all 'cause of you. When I win the Grammy, they gon' know I stay true. And when they ask me how I did it, I'll tell them.
Stick to the plan. Stick to the plan.
Alright guys, so I just finished my workout and it is still intact. Wow. I didn't even have to put on a scarf or a headband or anything. That's awesome. So for those who've been concerned about working out and what adhesive to use, y'all, I think this is it. Yes, I'm looking crazy and I'm a sweaty mess. See, we're trying to get it together, y'all. Pray my strength. I'm gonna try to do this 3 days this week. I'll try it again tomorrow for y'all. But so far, so good. Day 3, I wore a hat. I'm looking so crazy. Still holding us down. I'm gonna take it off today though. Oh, my finger is in the way. I have some water in this bottle. I'm hoping it comes off easily with water. Let's take these out. Ooh. Lifts right up. Y'all, this is a game changer. Shall we say bye-bye to Got2b glue? This is amazing. It didn't even take long.